Welcome to Linux tutorial. I am going to explain about how to install MySQL Workbench, and we can see how to backup and restore MySQL databases using the MySQL Workbench. MySQL Workbench is a graphical design tool for MySQL databases. MySQL Workbench is used for database server administration, database design, creation, and database security management, and for maintaining the database. Before installing the MySQL Workbench, you should have a MySQL server installed in your system. After installing the MySQL server, now we can see how to install the MySQL Workbench. Use the following command to install the MySQL Workbench. apt-get install MySQL Workbench. Now give enter. Now give us to download and install the packages. This will take some time. Now the MySQL Workbench is successfully installed. Now we can see the database that I have already created. I'm going to log in into the MySQL. MySQL-u, username-p. Now enter the password. Now I logged into the MySQL. Now I'm going to display the databases. Now I'm going to take backup for the first database. Now I already created a table in the database first, and I'm going to take a backup of the database first. Now select the Unity dash and search MySQL Workbench. Now click the MySQL Workbench. Now the MySQL Workbench is open. Now we need to add the database server connection. Now click this local instance and enter the password of the root user and click OK. Now we can see how to take backup of a MySQL database. Now we can see the two databases that are available, the first and the sys. The first is the database I have created. Now I'm going to take the backup of the database first. Now click the server and you can see the data export and data import. Now I'm going to take backup of the first database. So now click data export. Now we need to select the database that you need to take backup. I'm going to select the first database. It contains the student table. It's already displayed here. Now we need to select the folder where the database backup should store. I'm going to give the default database backup export path. After selecting the database, just click start export and you can see the export is completed, and now we can see the backup in the terminal. Now give exit and list the files. Now we can see the folder called dumps. Now change the directory to dumps and list the file. Now we can see the dump with the date is stored here. Now change the directory to the dump and list the files. Now we can see the first student.sql file is stored. This is the backup that you have taken. Now I'm going to delete the database using the MySQL Workbench. Now click drop schema and click drop now, and now we can see the database is deleted. Now we can see how to restore the database that is deleted. Now we can see how to restore the deleted first database. Now I'm going to create the database first and click apply. Now click again apply to create the database and click close. Now we can see the first database is created, but it does not contain any tables. Now we need to restore the backup that you have taken. For restoring the database backup, just click the server and click data import, and you need to select the backup folder that you have taken and click open. After selecting, you can see the first database that is available in the backup. Now click the start import, and now you can see the import is completed and it has finished. Now we can see the first database. The student table is now available. Now the backup of the first database is restored. Now we saw how to install the MySQL Workbench, and we also saw how to take backup and restore the database backup using the MySQL Workbench. Thank you for watching.